Hi everybody, I'm Senior Marketing Coach for Universal Accounting, Rick Howard, and we've got Roger Connect here.
Hello there.
Today we're going to talk about the importance of your website. Roger, what is it about having a website these days that's so important for people out there starting these businesses?
It's key. I mean, think about it. If you went back maybe 5-10 years ago, it might be that the websites were novel, it was great, it was kind of fun. But today, it's what legitimizes or validates you being as a business. What we're finding with the marketing is when you go out there as a student and you're trying to explain what it is you're doing, one of those questions that the business owners are going to ask you is do you have a website? And they're not asking it because they're wanting to go research you and read up on your website, your services, and try and find out about you and maybe find you later on. They're asking you because they expect one simple answer. Do you have a website? Yes, I do. And what are they expecting? A confident yes. Why? Because this is the 21st century. If you're in business, you want to have that website.
It's sort of expected these days.
Oh, it's definitely expected. When working with students, there's a lot of confidence that can come from, I've got my business cards, I've started my business. I've got my business license, I've started my business. But when you get a website and you can look up on the internet and find your site and it comes up on the screen, that right there validates you more, just in your own mind, than the business cards or the license from the state. That website says, game on, it's official, you're in business.
Well, not only that, I mean, these days, people aren't using the yellow pages anymore.
No.
If they're doing a search for bookkeepers in your area, they're going to go to Google or whatever, and they're going to do a search for bookkeepers in that area. If you don't have that footprint on the web, then how are they going to find you? But another key aspect of this is having the ability to have an email address linked to that account.
Which is perhaps probably, I would say, most important of all. So often what I find is students will have emails such as Yahoo, Hotmail, AOL. What are we doing? You're advertising for MSN. This is ridiculous. When you send out your email, it should say Rick Howard, the Premier Accountant, right? So it should be rick@accountingprofessional.com, rick@thepremieraccountant.com. That right there is what enables us to show who we are, what we do, and how professional we are. So the email is, I feel, much more important than even the website. But the website is what allows us to have the email.
Absolutely. So it's highly important. The great thing about the relationship that our students have with Universal Accounting is we have the ability to help them create and host their website for them.
Exactly.
That makes it a lot easier.
I mean, think about it. As coaches, we're running into excuses all the time. Why haven't you started? Why haven't? Well, so often was that website. So years ago, we created this tool. Literally within 5-10 minutes, you can have your website up with your colors, your pictures, with professionally written content that we're providing. And so essentially what happens is you've got the tool in place within 5-10 minutes to now no longer have that excuse. You're out marketing and can confidently say you have an accounting business.
All right, great. Thanks for the information, Roger. Thanks for watching. And remember, accounting success is universal.
And if it's about accounting, it is universal.
And Universal Accounting just makes sense.
It makes sense.